Hello and welcome to Handy Lab. Friend, in this video we will see how to make a coach stitch. For coach stitch you may use two separate threads to create a coach stitch, or you may use a single thread to make a coach stitch. It is so simple, just take a look at the video right now. The practice make you perfect in coach stitching. Please like this video and subscribe Handy Lab channel. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then follow us on Facebook, or if you are watching this video on Facebook, then follow us on YouTube as well. The link is available in the video description.